we have been relatively more stable and calm, and there are several angles to it. You pointed out that CY22 already we've seen about $7 billion of outflows. In fact, this outflow started in October 2021 and has been relentless since then. And despite all the headwinds that we've seen so far, crude at 95, geopolitical tensions, noise around US Fed tightening and taper, and all sorts of things have happened, yet the Nifty is down just about 1,000 points, or roughly 6% from its recent highs in October 2021. I think one of the reasons for that is a very strong counterbalancing domestic flows. If you look at the SIP book, which is the Systematic Investment Plan, month on month it has grown, and now it's almost $1.6, $1.7 billion. So it's up 40-50% in a matter of 2 years on a monthly basis. Secondly, the corporate earnings in India has been very, resilient despite all the headwinds. The quarterly earnings season just concluded a day before yesterday. We released our review yesterday in the evening. Nifty has delivered a 25% earnings growth, which is in line with expectations. And the forward estimates have not seen any damage so far, despite the severe input cost inflation, right? And thirdly, as you pointed out, RBI has taken a path of divergence versus the global central banks. And they have articulated that the inflation drivers in India are very different. All said and done, at 6% CPI for India, it doesn't look like it is going completely out of whack, because we are used to 8-10% inflation way back in 2008 to 2012. And 6% is still within the tolerance band of the Monetary Policy Committee of RBI. So I think RBI is quite justified in that stance that they need to prioritize growth. Because unlike the Western markets, we didn't have a massive fiscal stimulus in CY20 and CY21. So for India right now, the bigger concern is growth, and more so at the bottom of the pyramid, because that is a segment which has been struggling and is still struggling. So RBI is right and prudent, in my view, in prioritizing growth over inflation at the moment.